Everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Passion Soap. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive collections, really exclusive one for your festival. So let me display this one, very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane with silver zari border and full base part is beautiful design work. This one, full base part, bright, beautiful design, fully hand design work. Base is premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane with beautiful beads design. Nice look, sequin with beads design. This one is pallu portion, contrast color stripes with beautiful sequin design, sequin with beads design. And this one, full base part, fully designer piece. And this one is full base part, beautiful design buta work, full base. Nice look. This one is beautiful design work, and this one is running blouse piece plain, and this one is full piece, very bright and elegant looks. And I will suggest this this one is running blouse piece, contrast yellow shade, silver zari border. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also, same material, same pattern, fully designer piece, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane, nice color combinations with sequin beads design, fully designer piece. This one, full base part, base is premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane, golden zari border, contrast blue piping, and full base part is beautiful sequin and beads design, very nice looks, fully hand design work, designer piece and same design. And this one, pallu portion is very highlighted one, fully designer work, pallu golden zari stripes with beautiful design work. And this one, running blouse piece. This one is running blouse piece, and I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. Same material, very beautiful one, elegant color combinations and designer piece, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane with beautiful and hand design work, sequin with beads design, very nice looks. This one, full base part, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane, golden zari border. And this one is beautiful design work, sequin with small beads design, fully hand design. And this one, full base part, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane with beautiful design work. And this one, pallu portion, very bright look. This one is pallu, beautiful design work, golden zari stripes with beautiful sequin beads design. This one is pallu portion, very nice looks. And this one, running blouse piece, and I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. For sewing your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one, very beautiful, elegant, gorgeous looks, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane with beautiful sequin design work. This one is full base part. This one is full base part, contrast red border and golden zari with contrast red border with beautiful fine hand work. This one is beautiful sequin beads design, premium quality, pure handloom, fine lane by lane. And this one is border contrast color. And this one, pallu portion is very highlighted one, golden zari stripes with beautiful sequin beads design. And this one is full base part. Nice looks, bright one. And this one is full base part, fully designer piece, hand design work. This one is highlighted border, contrast red with golden zari with beautiful beads design. And this one, full base part, very trendy, bright, gorgeous looks, best for your festival. And this one, running blouse piece, and I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one, very beautiful one, very elegant color combinations also. Premium quality pure handloom organza base with beautiful weaving reshmi zari weaving border, wide border with butta design. This one, full base part with nice color combination. This one is golden zari border, wide border, reshmi zari weaving border, very soft one. And this one, full base part, premium quality organza base with reshmi zari weaving butta design. And this one is pallu portions, contrast color dye pallu with fine golden zari weaving work. This one is pallu portions. And this one, full base part, very bright looks, elegant obviously. This one is highlighted wide border. And this one is full base organza with reshmi zari weaving butta, very elegant, trendy, fresh, gorgeous looks. And this one, running blouse piece. This one is running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. Very beautiful one, very nice looks, premium quality pure handloom soft silk with heavy weaving design work, very smart trendy looks, and very lightweight also, heavy work but very lightweight. And this one is highlighted border, fully fine traditional hand weaving design, heavy worked border, and full base part is beautiful fine weaving butta design, very smart and elegant looks, beautiful color combinations, very nice one. This one, full base part, very soft one, summer friendly, soft, comfortable, smart looks. And this one, pallu portions, very nice one, heavy worked pallu. This one is pallu portions, beautiful heavy weaving design, silver zari weaving design, heavy worked pallu. This one is pallu portions. This one is full base part. And this one, running blouse piece, very trendy, smart, elegant and traditional looks, and very soft, comfortable. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And for sewing your or customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one also, very elegant color combinations, same material, same pattern, different color, bright color combinations, very nice looks, pure handloom silk material, soft silk with beautiful heavy weaving design. This one is border portions, fine traditional hand weaving border, and full base part is beautiful fine weaving butta design, and very soft one, summer friendly, soft, comfortable, lightweight. And this one, pallu portions, contrast color pallu with heavy fine weaving design, heavy worked pallu. And this one, full base part, very bright looks. This one is full base, heavy weaving design, work border, traditional border, and full base part is beautiful weaving border design, very trendy, fresh looks. Very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one, very beautiful one, premium quality pure georgette base with silk weaving work, full base part, contrast color dye border. This one, full base part, beautiful one, fully brocade pattern weaving design, base is georgette, same material today I have draped. And this one is beautiful smart hand weaving border design, base is pure georgette with silk weaving work, full base. And this one, beautiful weaving butta design by golden zari weaving butta work. And this one is pallu portions, highlighted heavy worked, contrast color dye with fine weaving design, heavy worked pallu. And this one, full base part, very lightweight, comfortable, same material today I have draped. And this one, border portions, contrast color dye with beautiful fine smart hand weaving traditional border. And this one is full base, very bright fresh look, best for your festival, for your function wear, very nice looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. For sewing your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. Very beautiful one, bright looks and very demanding and trendy looks. And this one, pure Rajasthani bandage with beautiful Banarasi weaving work, This one, you know, bright color combinations, pure bandage, Rajasthani bandage with beautiful fine weaving Banarosi work border. And this one is, you know, beautiful border design. And this one is pallu portion, golden zari stripes with Banarosi butta design pallu, and full base part is bandage, Rajasthani pure bandage with beautiful bright color combinations with butta work. Very bright fresh look. This one is border, and this one is full base part, very demanding one, and with trendy and bright looks. This one, you know, running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one, you know, same material and different color only, pure Rajasthani bundles and beautiful color combinations, golden zari fine checks design, and border also fine golden zari weaving border, and full base part is pure bandis, Rajasthani bandis with beautiful golden zari fine checks design. This portion is middle portion checks, golden zari checks with print, and this one, you know, pallu portion is very highlighted one, golden zari stripes in pallu end, and full base part is beautiful bandage print. And this one, you know, running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this, and for your exclusive smart and elegant looks. For stitch your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one, you know, very bright and beautiful color combinations, pure bandage, Rajasthani bandage with beautiful one contrast color border, and golden zari fine checks, weaving checks, and this one is border portions, contrast color with beautiful bandage print border, highlighted golden zari lines, and full base part is beautiful fine checks design, very bright fresh looks. And this one, you know, pallu portions, contrast color dye with bandage print, and pallu in beautiful golden zari lines, very smart bright looks based for your festival, very demanding also. And this one, you know, running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy and smart looks. Very beautiful bright gorgeous looks, maroon shade, pure Rajasthani bandis with beautiful Banarosi weaving design checks and border work. This one, you know, full base part, bright beautiful looks. This one is fine golden zari weaving Banarosi border, and full base part is fine weaving checks design with bandis, pure Rajasthani bandis print. And this one, you know, full base part, very bright and beautiful looks based for your festive wear, function wear. And this one, you know, pallu portions, heavy Banarosi weaving, golden zari weaving design, heavy worked pallu, and full base part is pure Rajasthani bandis print. And this one, you know, running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy and smart looks. And you know, today I have taped a beautiful elegant traditional saree. Base is pure georgette base, and full base part is silk weaving work, fully weaving work, bouquet pattern weaving design. This one is contrast color dye with fine traditional weaving design, highlighted border. And this one, you know, pallu portions, heavy Banarosi weaving design, heavy worked pallu, very bright, beautiful and elegant look, soft, comfortable, summer friendly also. Beautiful saree, beautiful jewelry. If you want same saree with same jewelry, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.